Alright guys, this is my first upload to YouTube. This is a bike check, so bear with me if I get anything wrong. I'm kind of new to the whole BMX thing. I'm learning how to do things like bunny hop and shit, so just bear with me. This is a 2009 Haro X1. Here, there's some little false advertisement premium sticker. I think it looks pretty nice. Besides that, the paint job I did myself. I know it's not, 5-star quality, but whatever, I like it. Got some nitrous crags, a gift from a friend of mine's. Yeah, fail. Gift of a friend of mine's. Give me nitrous crags, small sprocket, Haro sprocket, very small, I guess, very purple. Purple chain, nothing special, just can't see. Regular old hub, nothing special about it. I said, give me a break if I get it wrong. Like this. I believe this is like Y2X rims, Y22. Yeah, Y222X rims, as it says up here. I like purple and red. As you can see, I have red spoke nibbles, which I think is kind of funny how they call spoke nipples. But they're red. Top the bike. Pegs are red. Seat with the railing thing going on. It's purple and red. These are stock frame. Stock handlebars. These are LA something grips. Purple, so I really don't care. Top load stem, Haro on top. Again, some false advertisement. Stock fork, some tires, another awesome flat tire. If any of you didn't notice, very flat. And it's gyro, so as you already know, you just keep spinning with the gyro. You don't have to worry about the brakes getting tangled and shit. Some pegs, regular stock pegs, and some, my favorite part, some premium slim pedals. I think these are really good pedals. They're just really good in general. I just love these things. So yeah, get any advice, help me out, comment, give me advice, don't give me no bullshit, please, in this video. So yeah, thanks.